Guys, it is Karate Cow, and today, as you can see, we are playing with my remote control car. So I'm gonna get this set up right here. There we go. And I had a last video, and there was a giant mosquito. It was like this big. And then when I went to move for a second, so I can show you guys, I turned it off. But that's okay. It's completely fine. I might do another video just about the part of the video that there was a mosquito, but maybe not. I don't know. So, we are going to start out with some simple circles. Okay. Okay. So then, also, if you go forward, it goes like this. See, it just rides on its back wheels. There's a way. Oh, I got it to do it early, where you could just ride without it going on the back wheels, but I can't figure out how to do it again. I've only done it successfully twice. I just wanna, there you go. Okay, so there you go. You saw the circles, and it moves backward. Oh, battery came out. Let me send it back to this thing. So, you see the circle, back it up out of the crack. There you go, circle. Sometimes it'll do it like this, sometimes it won't. There you go. And the fourth. Oh, there you go, now it's going past me. So let's get it closer. Okay. Oh, it's missing me. It might have been really loud, but it hit your guys' box. Okay, now pick it up. Oh! I wish you guys would have seen that. It did a flip. It went like this. Let me turn the box. Oh, it just fell. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Again. Just to show you guys something. Okay. Just to show you how the car flipped. It was cool. So I was driving right, and it was going all crazy, and it fell off like this, and it went, and it landed. Yeah, isn't that cool? But it was still cool. It landed. Monster truck thing. Oh, I can't say monster truck. Remote control challenge is going to be a new thing. I promise. So, again, I'm going to shout out to Dom Isaac Gaming. I promise next video will be a different one. I really like his channel, and I need to get the shoutouts ready before I come and do these videos. But yeah. Alright, there's the circles. Now, we're going to show you how to do both ways. Oh, how to make him dance first. Okay, look. I call it a hymn. I just like it so much. He can dance. There we go. He can dance. That's also one of the ways he moves forward. But there we go. So the first way he moves forward is like this. Right? Where he stands up. Okay. And back. Okay, and the second way he moves forward, which is kind of not as good. There you go. Oh. I did. Oh, sorry, I forgot to. So there's this way, right? And that way you just go like this. You just put both of them forward, and obviously you can do it. Right now, I'm just copy a little bit, and I'm just showing off here. So there you go. And the way you do the other walking one like this is you go like this. So you just put one up at a time. So you go like this. One, one, one. He looks like a transformer when he comes up. Watch. Oh, he landed that. Let's see. Can he come back up the curb? Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, okay. That's not going to reach the car. Or maybe we will. I'm trying driving back over to the curb. Okay, he's done. Oh. Okay. Go. I'm back. Okay. So, what was I talking about? That's the way you drive him that way. And now the way you do the circles, which I will show again because I forgot to show you how earlier, is you go like this. So, circle number 1. Okay, so you just press up on this one, so a specific one. So get this one with the blue, and there's one with the red. So with the blue one, you push up. There you go. And then for this circle, opposite way, you do the red one up. There you go. And then to do the ones where he is facing this way and circling, is first you move forward, right? Now moving backward, you can do it. But, that's what you do first. And moving forward, so he goes like that. And then, depending on which side you want to go to, so if you want to do a circle like this, then you press the up button, the blue one. There you go. If you want to do a circle like this, then you press this one. There you go. And now, if you want to do a circle like this, which is slower, then you do both of them at the same time like this. See? So you put the red one up and the blue one down. There you go. And if you want to do it like this, again, it's the other way around, like this. Now, let's drive it over here. We'll do it backwards. Okay, so my rating on this is 4.5. Because it's kind of hard to control, so you have to get the hang of it a little bit, which is why I only rated 4.5. So, yeah, that's why I only rated 4.5. And then, yeah, so that's it for today. That's how you use this remote control car. I'll show you the brand in a separate video, in the next video. Like other things, but yeah, that's how you control ones that look like this. There we go. I'm not even in the shot. I'm trying. Okay, there we go. I don't know if you saw it. Okay. There you go. Okay. So yeah, that's how you use that. And make sure to subscribe and leave a like. You guys have been awesome. Peace out.